Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add products to your Printify store. First, we will go to Printify and we will log in to get to our store. Once we're logged in, we will be brought to our dashboard where we can create our first product. Once in our Printify dashboard, we will click Create Product. Then we will choose the product that we would like to get started with. For here, we have a couple of products in this menu, which are your t-shirts, your sweatshirts, your hoodies, and your tank tops. If you wanted to look at the full Printify catalog, you could do that here. And it will open up the product catalog where you can choose the product of your choice. For here, we'll use the colorful mugs and we'll click Start Designing. From here, you'll see the places that the design will be at. So we have 3 markers for each side of the cup and the front. So when adding a product, upload. Once you have your product, you will be able to move this graphic around where you want it to lay on the mug. So for here, this line is the center of the cup. This is to the left, the handle to the left, and the handle to the right. If you want to have it where your design is printed on both sides of the cup, then you can duplicate your design and lay them right next to each other. Using your guidelines, which is the red line, you make sure everything is lined up. On the right-hand side is your variants and your layers. You can select variants, which are the different colors of the mug and the different sizes. So here we have our 11 ounce here. And then since we added a 15 ounce, we now can see that we can edit that 15 ounce there. So now I just wanted to add a second design to the cup. Which we'll use the guidelines for too. And then we can duplicate it and put it on the other side. So now we have our design. Here we have our 15 ounce and we can edit it. We have our background colors here that can change the color of the cup. You also want to make sure once you create your designs that they are in at least PNG in a transparent background. So then we can click preview and this will show what our mug will look like on our design would look on our actual mug. So there's the front. This is from the right side. This is the back. And the left side. You're also able to look at it in some mock-ups. Since this is the holiday time, they have holiday mock-ups for you to use with your design, and then a second mock-up. So you can see where it is and make edits how you would like. Once you have your design how you would like it, then you will click Save Product. This will save your first product to your Printify store.